Hey mathematicians, I'm going to be demonstrating 2-digit by 2-digit lattice multiplication. For our example, we're going to be multiplying 98 times 76. So for our lattice, the lattice is actually the most difficult part of lattice multiplication. So I'm going to show you a way that we can draw this using blank lined paper. So I'm going to be using 3 columns. We can start somewhere in the middle of the page. 3 columns, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to need 2 columns and 2 rows. So now that I have my 2 columns, I can go ahead and draw that off, and now I need to draw my 2 rows. So I need another row. So now I have 2 columns and 2 rows. Next, we're going to be connecting the corners of each square and drawing a diagonal line. Now I'm just going to take these digits, put 1 up top. So my first factor, 98, will go up top here. My second factor will go to the right, and I'm just writing the digits. I don't have to expand out these numbers. I only want the digits. So now I'm going to go through and I'm going to multiply this 8 by the 7 and the 8 by the 6. So 8 times 7 is 56. I have 5 tens, so 5 is going to go in this top triangle. The top triangle always represents the tens. The bottom triangle represents the ones. So 5 tens, 6 ones. 8 times 6 is going to give me 48. I have 4 tens, 8 ones. Now I'm going to be multiplying the 9 by the 7 and the 6. So 9 times 7 is going to give me 63. I have 6 tens, 3 ones, and 9 times 6 is going to give me 54. I have 5 tens, 4 ones. So I'm going to cross out the numbers that I multiplied from my factors. I don't need those anymore. So for my next step, I'm going to use my hand. I'm just going to line it up with this diagonal line that I drew, and I'm going to add every digit that's in that diagonal. So this is why it's important to eliminate these or to cross out these factors so we don't accidentally add them. So 8 plus nothing is going to leave me with 8. 6 plus 4 is 10. Plus 4 is 14. So because these diagonals represent place values, I'm going to carry my 1 to the next diagonal. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 3 is 9, plus 5 is 14. Again, carrying that 1 to the next place. 6 plus 1 is 7. I'm going to circle my answer and rewrite. So 7, 4, 4, 8 for a product of 7,448.